Hello and good evening everyone. How are you all? So welcome to the live session of your COMEDK Launchpad. Okay, so what we're doing today here is going to be chapter continuity and differentiability. मतलब in this very high weighted chapter that we have. So I've taken some questions, some PYQs, some non-PYQ problems, which we're going to solve. Okay, which we're going to solve right now. I hope all of you are ready. Okay. Right, I can see some of you are already live. Good evening to everyone. Good evening. Okay, so yeah, as I said, so we're gonna solve some questions in the chapter C and D. It's one of the high weighted chapters, so it's very important. So please pay your attention. Try to give answers from your side first. If you have doubt, you can ask that as well. Okay, so we'll start. Hi, I can see some names over here. Vardhan is there. Godfather is there. Moonpaw. Okay, Hemant. Ashmi, all of you, Shagufta, hello Shagufta, you did very well, bacha, I got to know in the examinations. Okay, Gopinath, Trinity, Prince, all of you who are here, good evening to everyone. Okay, so I think we can start now. Okay, anything? Yeah, hi Gopinath, hi Mushiro. Okay, let's start. So we'll start. We know you guys are waiting already over here, so let's not waste a single minute of your time. If you're here, let's start. Okay, great. COMEDK is equal to KSET level. Yes, most of the time basically I'll tell that PU2 sections are almost same. In the PU1 section some topics, some questions are extra, but PU2 are exactly same. The syllabus level is exactly same, but questions will be a little challenging if you feel in certain topics. Some might be a little easier also. Okay, so let's start. Okay, hello Chandan, Chandrama. Moonpaw sir, KSET went well, but I don't know, should I do COMEDK? If you have already filled the form, why not? Okay, if you can get a better rank, a better seat. Now it's about getting a proper seat. Let's say CS in a RBC or some other college, right? So you're trying to get a very good college with a very good rank, then why not do it? Okay, all right. Okay, I think Mishra has given me the answer. Sir, B is the correct answer. Yes, it is correct. B is the right answer. So now guys, let's start the session. Yes, so Cranium, we have started the series already. We were doing this Launchpad. I think this is third or fourth session of maths. Okay, but from today onwards, this is live for the first time. Means earlier we were doing recorded sessions. Today only is the first live session in the COMEDK series. Is that okay? Yeah. Dhruti, yes, almost same, but certain topics, some concepts of PU1 are little extra in the COMEDK section. Yes, bacha. Pavitra, of course. Okay, we'll help you there as well. Okay, let's start now with the questions. So question number 1, guys, let's come back to the solving questions now, and then we'll talk about these general questions at the end of the session, because all of you are here, some of you are waiting for the problems. Let's solve them, let's study right now, then we'll get back to the questions. Okay, so question number 1, answer is B. How does it come? We can see here y is given as tan x, means y dash will become sec square x. This is very simple. Y double dash will be what, sir? 2 secant x, and of course you'll have sec x tan x, right? You'll have sec x tan x as well. This is from the chain rule. Okay, this is from the chain rule. Now if you club this together, you'll have, please check, you'll have what is there? Sec square x into tan x. So right here 2 tan x together, I get 2 tan x together, and I write sec square as 1 plus tan square x. Now we know the value of y is tan x, so I can replace the tan x by y everywhere. 2y times of 1 plus y square is going to be my y double dash. Option B is correct. Okay, can I solve MTG book for COMEDK? Yes, you can solve here. Okay, that's a decent book. All right, let's start. So guys, please come back to the questions. Okay, let's now come back to the question. Question number 1 is done. Question number 2 now. 1, I think nobody has doubt. Simple problem only. A PYQ from 2014. Solve the next one. All of you please focus on the questions now. Yes. Okay. Y equal to tan inverse of a minus x upon 1 plus ax. We are looking for derivative. We can apply a formula over here. What is the formula? Anybody can tell me? Yeah. Decox effects. The challenge in COMEDK is not about the syllabus part, it's about solving 60 questions in 60 minutes. JMN has a different challenge. COMEDK is about solving 60 questions in 60 minutes, total of 180 questions in 180 minutes. PCM will be there, 180 questions, 180 minutes. Okay, 3 hours, 180 questions. That's the challenge. C is the answer. Yes, everyone. Oh my god, you all are prepared. Very good. C is the right answer. You can write this as y equals to tan inverse of, this formula will be nothing but tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of x. This is the constant, so derivative will give me over here 0, will become 1 upon 1 plus x square. Please check. Option C is correct. Yeah, I can see some of the students are actually solving questions. Very good, Chandrama. You're giving the right formula. Yes, Moonpie, Godfather, Decox FC. All of you, Sagufta, very, very good here. Extremely good. Very good, Sagufta, Siri. Okay. Let's start now. Third question. Y equal to sec of tan inverse of x is given. I'm looking for derivative at 1. Looking for derivative at 1. Guys, please give attempt. Okay. Y equals to sec of, excuse me, let me just erase this as well. Why to keep this? Okay. Sec of tan inverse of x is there, right? I'm going to differentiate this. So I'll have y dash as, please check, sec will become sec of this value. If I call this to be alpha, let's write here alpha, sec alpha into tan alpha, okay, and times derivative of basically tan inverse, so basically alpha, d alpha by dx. What I get for this value, I'll have sec of alpha only, sec alpha tan alpha, please check, it'll become derivative of tan inverse, it'll become 1 upon 1 plus x square, 1 upon 1 plus x square. I'm putting the value of x as 1, so what is it? Please check, tan inverse of 1, it'll become pi by 4, right? So I'm going to get this over here as sec pi by 4 is going to be how much is it? Simply root 2. This will become 1, this will become 1 upon 1 plus 1, so I get this value as, please check, y dash is root 2 upon 2, answer is 1 by root 2. Option D is correct. So I think all of you must have already answered me this question. Yeah, D. So I can see this answer from Skull. Okay. XLRR on 60 ping, that also given the right answer. Sweta, Chandran, C, Decox FC is C, CDC, Prince Rai C, sorry, D, forgive me. I am reading all options are D only. Prince Rai D, Decox FC D, Pavitra D, and Sagupta also D. Okay. Chaliye, let's move on now to the questions, please. Next one. So anyone who has doubt in particular question, you can ask me. I can explain it to you any part if it is required again. Okay. This problem what we have, y equal to tan inverse of something is given like this, 1 plus x square, something like that is given up to n terms. Please check, up to n terms. This series is written like this. Okay. But they are asking for a derivative when x is 0 and n is 1. N is 1 means only the first term. So this all doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, only the first term we need. So right here the function now, for n equal to only 1, the function will transform into y equal to tan inverse of 1 upon 1 plus x square. Let's find the derivative of this. Sir, challenging. Please try. Y dash will become, have a look. Tan inverse means 1 upon 1 plus this whole thing, 1 upon 1 plus x square, the whole square. Correct, and then I'll have into this is there. I'm gonna get derivative of this also, so it'll become, please check, minus 1 by 1 plus x square, the power 2. Correct, and I have to differentiate this part again. It'll get 1 will be 0. I have to write this x as 1. This will become again 2x, right? Again 2x. Do I have to simplify? I don't need to. Please check. I'm putting here x value as 0. So can I get the answer directly? I get y equals to, please check, numerator is minus 1 and this value. I get here 1 into minus 1, and this is going to be x is 0 over here, so only 1 is left. So one more time, 1 is left. Denominator you check here. I have 1 plus 1 upon, this will be 0, 0. So 1 upon 1 by 1, the square, and others again 1 only, right? So this is again multiplication itself, not addition. So multiplication only. That will be also be coming as 1 by 1. So I get this value as minus 1 upon 2. This is y dash actually. Y dash where? When x is equals to 0. Answer is minus 1 by 2. Option B is correct. Please check, guys. Okay. Yes. I can see the answers now from everyone. XLRR 60 ping is B. Shudhanva, okay, is B. Shagufta B. XL, okay, correct. All of you are right. Okay. Great. Why do we need GP formula, sir, for this one? Level of physics, I think physics I will be able to answer that better. You will have a COMEDK live, but more or less the general trend is same. KSET level is the same, mostly same as the COMEDK level. Some questions might be trickier from certain chapters. For that you have to solve all the PYQs. Okay, then only you get to know. Let's move on. Let's try. Okay. Next question. Who's solving this? PNC, if you are good at it, it's important, means you can solve any question. If not, leave it, because sometimes the question might become very tricky. Then why to spend time in that? Because understand this, it's about solving the question in 1 minute. 1 minute, one question in mathematics. Okay. If you're good at it, then yes, you can take it up. It's easy only. Prince, right? Let's start this question. What is the answer, guys? I didn't get any options from all of you. Yeah, answer for this question, come on. Y log tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. How do you solve this? Looking for derivative, right? So right here, y dash will be equal to 1 upon tan I have pi by 4 plus x by 2. Then tan derivative will become simply sec square pi by 4 plus x by 2, and then differentiate this bracket also inside. We'll have 0 plus 1 by 2. Great. Let me call this angle to be alpha. This to be alpha. Now check this magic. Y dash will become sec square alpha. The constant 1 by 2 will come in front, so 1 by 2 over here, divided by tan square alpha. Correct now? Let's simplify everything in terms of sine and cos. So I'll have 1 by 2. Over here I'll be having, please check, 1 upon cos square alpha divided by, sorry, not square, right? I made a mistake. Excuse me. This is not square, guys. Only tan is there, not a square. Yeah. Option C for this question is not right. Prince Gupta, please cross check your answer. Option C is not right, okay? Yeah, Chandranama, that is a perfect plan actually. Okay, complete all the PUT chapters and some important chapters of PU1. If you can do that, that'll be good enough. Okay, 1 upon cos square alpha, and over here you'll have, please check, sine alpha by cos alpha. So if you check this out, this and this will be cancelled. What I'm having now, I'll have y dash equals to 1 is left numerator, 1 by 2 is there, this 2. I have sine alpha as it is, and this will come down, right? It will become cos alpha. 1 by 2 sine alpha cos alpha simply is going to be 1 by sine 2 alpha. That's my y dash, right? Okay, continue now. So y dash is nothing but, have a look, 1 upon sine, put the value of alpha back now. So we have 2 times of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay, so I get 1 by sine, it will become pi by 2 plus x, right? If you move this 2 inside, pi by 2 plus x with sine, how much is that? 1 upon pi by 2 plus x. Second quadrant, sine is positive, so cos x, answer will be sec x. 1 by cos is sec. So this is my answer for derivative. Please check, answer is A actually. All of you please check, answer is A. Yes, all of you please check. Yes, guys. Acha, guys, please don't put any comment other than what you call your lessons concept plan. Okay, means if you want to ask a doubt, that you only put. Others are learning, so please don't disturb them. If any question you have, you can ask me after the session is after the questions are over. Then you can ask your questions. Okay, your general doubts. So answer, please check. Option A is correct. Shagupta, I hope you made a change. Your answer was incorrect in the first attempt. Siri, correct. Yeah. So Prince, yeah, your answer is also right. Okay, Skull, I'll be making a video for our channel where I'll talk about important chapters or easy chapters from the PU1. Okay, for now I can tell you, you can focus on trigonometry, relation functions, whichever you can solve faster. That is your your important chapters, because weightage is almost same only. There's no different weightage in PU1 chapters. Okay, chali. Okay, which one, bacha? This one, can you go back and just learn this problem and then come back to this, because I'm going to start the next problem. So it's a live only, but you can just go back and learn this. Not difficult at all. Okay, the problem is sine square tan inverse of, there's a formula for this, remember, x square equals to, if I take cos theta, yeah, cos theta only, so I'll have over here x square becomes derivative, if I take 2x dx by theta will become equal to minus sine theta, right? Okay, so I'll have okay, please check, dx by theta equals to, what is it, minus sine theta by 2x. Okay, that's my result. I'm going to use it later, that's why, because it's going to be used in the parametric form, that's why. Okay, now let's convert this problem in terms of theta. So we'll have y sine square is there, there's a bracket, of course tan inverse is there, right? So I'm going to write one step, then I'll just take it from there. 1 minus cos theta is there, right, in the numerator. It will become 2 sine square theta by 2. All of you agree? This is a formula. I'm getting 1 minus cos in the numerator. It will become 2 sine square theta by 2. Let's use that directly. I've written this step. I'm going to erase this. It will become 2 sine square theta by 2. Please check. 2 sine square theta by 2. Okay. Same way, I will have over here 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 and 2 cancels. I'm going to get sine by cos in the tan inverse. So I'll be ending up with y equal to sine inverse of, please check, sorry, not sine inverse, sine square, excuse me guys, y equal to sine square, yeah, sine square we have, of course we have here tan inverse, and this will become simply sine by cos, right? So tan theta by 2. So please check, tan inverse of tan will be cancelled. I have y equals to sine square theta by 2. Can you solve it now? Of course, sir. It will become dy by dx equals to 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay. This is for the first part. Then the chain rule comes. Again, you will have 1 by 2. Okay. For the theta by 2 part, and you will have d theta by dx, right? Because theta is not as x, no? I have to write for the d theta by dx also. So d theta by dx is there. Okay. Now, please check. I have the value this, no? Okay, I have dx by d theta. Let's change this reciprocal over here. I'm going to take here only. If I write here dx by d theta, what I'm going to have? I'll have minus 2x upon sine theta, right? What is this formula, sir? 2 sine cos. It will become sine 2 theta, right? So sine 2 times of theta by 2 will become simply sine theta. All of you agree? 2 sine cos. So sine times of twice the angle that we have, sine theta into 1 by 2. So I'll keep it here 2 only. This value is how much, sir? Minus 2x upon sine theta. Please check. Cancel, 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 cancel. I'm getting here dy by dx as minus x. As minus x. Yes. Had fun? Great. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Have a look once. Yeah. So I can. Yes, you have to do. Yes, yes, yes. Good in the comment K. Yes, Sagupta B is correct, Skull is B is correct, Siri B is correct, yes. Okay. Yes, Chandrama. Ma'am has made, right? You can use that session. Please check. Look, the syllabus wise no NCERT is enough, but questions will be not. If you study only NCERT, no, for the question problem, then you will not be able to score any marks in COMEDK. Okay, very simply, I'm telling you. So concept by NCERT is enough, but for problems, you have to go ahead and learn from some COMEDK. There will be question banks, no, you have to learn from there. Okay, question bank PYQs you have to learn from there only. Okay, let's start now. This is clear. Previous one is clear. Okay. This one. This is a simple one, right? Everybody please give me the answer correctly. Right away, what is the answer for this question? All of you please give me the answer for this question. Chandram, Siri, Skull, Manoj, D. Manoj, excellent bacha. Super. Super. Very good. So how do you solve this? Let's find derivative first. So dy by dx, first derivative we're going to find that. So we'll have dy by dt upon dx by dt. Okay. So if you solve this question, what are you going to have? So you can differentiate y with dt. So you'll have to apply quotient rule 2 times. So let's do this individually only. We'll have a easier, without confusion we can do this. So for this, you're going to get, simply I'll have 2, keeping this part as it is, 1 plus t, minus sign will come, keeping 2t as it is, and I'll have 1 over here divided by 1 plus t the whole square. Please check. So if you simplify this, you're going to get what? You're going to get 2 by 1 plus t the whole square. Correct? Because 2t and 2t will cancel. You'll have only 2 left. Yeah. For dx by dt, everyone, you have given me the right answer. Let's just check dx by dt. So for this part, I'm going to have minus 1 over here, keeping 1 plus t as it is. Quotient rule I'm using, minus sign will come again. Keeping 1 minus t as it is, differentiate 1 plus t now, I'm getting 1 over there, and 1 plus t the whole square. Simplify, I'll have minus 1 minus t, then I'll have minus 1 plus t, right? T and t is cancelled. So I get 1 plus t the whole square over here. Basically this will convert into I'll get for this value as what? Minus 2 upon 1 plus t the whole square. So divide now, I'm getting dy by dx, simply what? Please check this value by this value. You can check here, we have the same denominator, no? 1 plus t the whole square, 1 plus t the whole square. So I'm going to get what? 2 by minus 2. Answer is going to be minus 1. First derivative is constant, means second derivative is a 0. First derivative is constant means second derivative is 0. Is that clear? Please check. In top college, electrical is worth it or not? Please tell yes, it is worth it. Okay, it's a very good branch. Okay, it's not a bad branch. All right. So D is right. I've taken the option already. D is correct. So I know a senior of mine who had done I think electrical from IISM Dhanbad. So now it is IIT Dhanbad, and I think he got placed as a JE in one of the research centers across, I think government research centers. So yeah, you can do that actually. So if you are really good in something, no, you will end up in a good place only. Don't worry. But you have to work hard through your your program that you are taking. Hello Ketan, sorry. Yes, hello Ketan. Shagufta, D is correct. Everyone is right. Pavitra Nair. Your name is Pavitra? Okay, sorry, Pavitra. Great. Answers is correct. Okay, let's move on. This is correct. Okay. How will you solve this question, sir? So next live when? Next class live will be coming for the next subject. After 2 days, I'll be back with another live. Okay. Please check. So y is second inverse of root x minus 1. If you want to know all of this, you have to join our WhatsApp channel. Don't worry, it's for completely free only. You can join the WhatsApp channel and you'll get to know the class schedule over there only. We post it before taking the class. We post it there that there is a class coming today of this subject and this subject. You can attend it. So you can join the channel to get to know that. Link will be given in the description of this video, like this live after it over. Let's start. Y equals second inverse of root x minus 1. We have. Can I convert this into cos inverse directly? I'll have y equals to cos inverse will become x plus root x upon root x minus 1. This is as it is sin inverse of x plus root x upon root x minus 1. Check carefully. This is what, sir? Y equals to cos inverse of alpha, yeah, plus sin inverse of alpha. Answer is nothing but pi by 2. Derivative will be how much, sir? 0. Y dash is 0. It's a constant, no? Pi by 2. Answer is 0. We're using the property over here. Please check. Okay. Yes, dear. I'll be doing all the chapters. Okay. We'll not be leaving everything over here. Anything over here. Okay. So I think all of you got it. I can see the comments now. Prince Rai said C. I think, okay, his name is Chandu. Alright, sorry, Chand Mama, my bad. So I don't think any option was C, dear. So Prince is saying D now. Skull C, Chauhan. Gautam is saying C. Please check your answers. C is not right. D is correct. Yeah, D is correct. Skull, Aditya, Neha, Moonpao, okay. Neha Rao, yeah, correct. Let's start. Next one. So there is no doubt in this so much. Any problem you have so far? No. Let's solve this question as well. What we have, we're looking for dy by dx derivative. Now one way to solve this question is simply converting to sine and cos. Second way to solve this question will be taking quotient rule. All of that is there, but there's one simple approach as well. Simply rationalize it. Why we can do that, sir? Because we have sec minus tan. If you rationalize, it will become simply 1, right? The formula 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. We can use this formula, no? Over here. So we'll have sec x plus tan x the whole square divided by sec square x minus tan square x. How we are doing this? By multiplying this both part with sec x plus tan x. So I have the formula a minus b into a plus b in the denominator, right? So I have a square minus b square. This will become simply, please check, this thing will become 1. So I'll have over here sec x plus tan x the whole square. Now you can differentiate. Sorry, this is not y, this is not y dash. Forgive me for this. Yeah, let's differentiate now. You can find the derivative now. We'll have this result as y dash equals to, please check, 2 times of sec x plus tan x Now differentiate this inside bracket also. So you'll have sec x as sec x tan x, and tan x will become sec square x. Okay, sec square x will, this is in product, okay, this is in multiplication. I can take sec x common over here, so I'll have 2 sec x. Please check, this bracket is nothing but sec x plus tan x. What is this bracket left now with? Multiplication, of course. It's going to be sec x plus, sorry, you'll have tan x only over here, no? You have taken sec x common, right? So you'll have only tan x left. Please check. You'll have only tan x left. So we'll have over here tan x plus sec square is there, but I'm taking x common. I've taken one of the sec x common over here, so it'll become same thing. This and this is same, so I'm getting the result as 2 sec x times of sec x plus tan x the whole square. Answer is options, okay, option C, right? Option C is correct. Yeah, so all of you got it right. Yes. Yes, Sarvajana, I can do that. Not a problem. I can do that. Okay. Thank you for being patient. Option C is correct. So Gupta, Chandu, Moonpa, Manasha, Kushal, yeah, Gautam. Yes, everyone is right. So they've been providing this. If you check their official platform, even if you check for the mock test, right, for this year, they have given some mock test. It's not a full length mock test, but just just to test the platform, they're providing one calculator over there. So I think they're going to provide this year as well. Yeah. Okay, Prince Rai, we'll talk about that in later. Hi Phoenix, welcome back. So this is done. Let's start. Fine. Now this is not a PYQ, but it's a good question on continuity chapter. This type of question was asked in your recent PYQ of COMEDK and in KSET. So that's why it's a very relevant question. They're asking the value of K when this is continuous. Continuous means what, sir? It means limit should be of the function when x tends to the point 0 should be equal to the function at 0, value at 0. Okay. So apply the limit. We're going to use this condition. So let's find that. We have limit of sine square ax upon x square, right? So I have ax over here and I have sine square. Let's do one thing, multiply here with a square and keep here also something like a square, a constant. Okay, and of course we have x tends to 0 limit. This is nothing but f0 is how much? F0 is 1. So put here 1. Now what I'll have, this will become simply 1, right? This part will become simply 1. We know this, sine ax upon ax limit is nothing but, this is nothing but 1, right? So I can use this over here. 1 square will become what? Simply 1, right? So we will have 1 square. Simply I have a square equals to 1. It means a value is nothing but plus minus 1 for this to be continuous. Answer is option C. Answer is option C. Great. All right, let's, guys, please don't spam this chat box. Once you get the answer, I can see, I'll know your answers are correct. So I can see Gautam, Saminathan, right, and Sagufta, Mansha, Chandu, Siri, Phoenix, Kushal, Manoj, Skull, all have given the right answer. This is clear. Moving on. Differentiate e power log x, and log 3x is also there. Understand this, e and log are basically inverse of each other. So I can neglect the function. It will simply become log x times log 3x. Okay, great. So how can I differentiate this? Please check. Can I do that? Yes. We'll write this as function y. Differentiate. We'll have y dash as, if I do this one, I get 1 by x. I get 1 by x keeping log 3x as it is. Okay. Now plus sign I'll do, keep log x as it is this time, and I'll have 1 by 3x into 3. Correct? Because log 3x will become 1 by 3x. You have to apply the chain rule. So it will become 3. 3 and 3 is cancelled. We are getting 1x denominator. So take x common. We have log 3x plus log of x. How much is that? Log a plus log b. Log 3x into x upon x. What I get? Log 3x square upon x. Option is B. Option is B. So everyone, please remember the properties that you have for logarithms. They are very handy in examination. It reduces the questions effort by a big margin. So please remember all the formulas in logarithms. Very, very important. Okay, great. So don't worry about rank right now. Your goal should be, try to, out of 180 score for 140 plus. Score for 140. If you can score close to 140, you'll have a decent rank, good college. Okay, great. Because COMEDK is, is a very, after COMEDK you get a very costly seat. If you can't get a good seat also in that price, there's no point of writing it. Okay, so if you're writing COMEDK means you should try to get for good rank. Okay, aim for good rank. Correct. So try to get what do you call? And I think around 10,000 you can get, 8-9,000 you can get a decent college with decent stream also. Okay, this is clear. So find dy by dx if x equals to e power m minus e power minus m. Okay, y is also given. We are looking for derivative of this, right? This is again a parametric form question. Dy by dx is given. I'm going to write like this: dy by d theta. No, not d theta. Here the variable is m, sir. Actually, excuse me. Variable is m in this case. Right here dy by dm upon dx by dm, right? Dx by dm. Okay, let's start. Great. So how do you solve this question? Dy by dm. Let's differentiate this. You'll have 1 by 2 is a constant. Keep it outside. 1 by 2. E power m will become e power m only. Okay. And for this we'll have plus e power minus m, and we'll have minus 1 over here. Right, again keep it like this. Derivative of this part, have a look. I have 1 by 2 again for x. E power m will become e power m only, and we'll have this time minus of e power minus m, and again minus 1 will come. I can simplify, so I'll have over here 1 by 2. Please check, don't cancel these two. Okay, don't cancel this 2. What are you gonna have? E power m, so it'll become e power m minus e power minus m divided by, I have over here again 1 by 2 is there, e power m will become plus, so right here plus e power minus m. Please cross check the question now. This is nothing but y, right? This is nothing but y, this is nothing but x. So I'm getting my value of dy by dx as xy by y. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Yeah, I can see now. So I have answers from Lakshmi as C. Okay. Manoj has given B. Guys, please check. C, B. Abdul is given D. Siri is given B. Vardhan is C. Moonpa B. Saminathan A. Correct. Saminathan Lakshmi A now is correct. Kushal C is correct. Skull A is correct. Shagufta has given the right answer. A correct. Siri also has given the right answer. A correct. Okay. Guys, please check. Kushal. Adya. Okay. This is clear. I hope everyone is clear with this question, right? No doubt. There was a lot of mistakes from all of you. What is the mistake? Simple problem only, right? This is parametric form question. So you can see here parametric form questions with second derivative, first derivative can be asked in the COMEDK examination. So it's one of the high weightage topics from your chapter C and D. Okay, chaliye, let's continue from here now. What we have next question: cos inverse of sin x with tan inverse of x. So I'm looking for, let's say I call this function to be function P and this to be function Q. So I'm asking basically dp by dq from all of you. Can you please try once, guys? Can you try once for this question? Okay, please try this question once. So I'll have over here, please check dp by dx upon dq by dx. Okay, so this will become cos inverse is there, right? So minus 1 upon, please check, 1 minus sin square x in the root. This is the derivative of cos inverse. Okay, and again of course you have to do chain rule. For sin x it will become cos x, no problem whatsoever. Now for the derivative we'll have tan inverse derivative is nothing but 1 upon 1 plus x square. This is the derivative of tan inverse. Please check. This is nothing but cos x, right? 1 minus sin square is nothing but, sir, cos square x. So if you take the root on both sides, what do you have? Simply cos x. Okay, so this and this is getting cancelled. What I have, minus 1 upon, this will go in the numerator only, right? So minus 1 into 1 plus x square, it will become simply minus 1 plus x square. Option is C. Option C is correct. Please check. Yes, so I can see some options. Chauhan, Gautam Chauhan is saying correct. C. Skull C. Chandu is correct. C. Rashmi C is right. Kushal C is right. Saminathan C is right. Shagufta C is right. All right, very good. Moonpao, B is wrong, bacha, please check. Neha, C is correct. Yeah, very good. So I can see most of the answers are correct only. I think you might have making some mistakes over here and there. Please cross check your answers. Okay. So I think Moonpao, what you have done now, you've taken you thought that it's going to be minus x square. This is not minus, okay? If it was minus, so then we can take option B is correct. If it was like this, then this would have been a right option, but it is not minus x square. Okay, please cross check. Silly mistakes, please try to avoid. Yeah, yes. So Manoj, B is not right, C is correct. Yeah, let's move on now. This problem, log x power x minus x power log x. How do you solve this question? So we're going to separate this into two different functions. So I'll keep this log of x power x as a function p, and I'll keep x power log x as function q. Okay, so I'm looking for, let's say, derivative of this. Now basically I have given function is y equals to p plus q, right? So I can find this as dy by dx equals to dp by dx plus dq by dx. All of you agree? So let's look for dp by dx first. So we know that we have this condition p equals to what? Log of x power x, right? Whenever we see power, you're gonna use what? Logarithm on both sides. We get here a log of p equals to log of, this will come in front if you take log, right? It will become x log of log x, log of log x. Correct now? This power, this coefficient will become, this power will become coefficient. Okay, and the log will operate on the current value, which is log itself. Not a problem. Differentiate now. You'll have 1 by p dp by dx. You have to use the quotient rule over here. Sorry, product rule over here. X will become simply 1. So you'll have 1 into log of log x, plus sign will come, of course, and over here you're gonna keep x as it is. Differentiate this log, you're gonna get 1 by log. Okay, and then to differentiate this log, you're gonna get 1 by x. So this x and x will be cancelled. So I'll have, please check, I'll write it over here only. I'll have dp by dx, very simple. Cross check here. I can move this p on this side, right? It'll become simply p outside the bracket. And inside I have log of log x, log of log x, okay, plus 1 by log x. This is my dp by dx. This is my dp by dx. Okay, so you can check the option. If you look at the option, you cannot have b, you cannot have d. Means b and d is gone. B and D is gone. All right. So B and D is gone. Yes, Agupta, your answer is right. A is correct answer. But I'll show you how A is correct. Let's look for the second step now. Let's look for this dq by dx. So for this you'll have what? Please check. Taking the q value as x power log x, right? So I'm going to have this this time. Please check. 1 by q will be there, right? Excuse me. So you'll have, if you differentiate now, you're going to get what? Log of q, and you'll have a log x times of log x, right? Doesn't matter. If you differentiate, you're going to get 1 by q, please check, and dq by dx, and whatever over here, doesn't matter. Just move this q on this side, you'll have dq by dx equals to q times of, doesn't matter. What is q value? X power log. X power log, doesn't matter. Now you check for the option that you have. In the first option you have x power log x, but you don't have in this, please check option number, what is it? C. You don't have x power log x. It means option has to be A only, right? Carefully you check. In the first option you have x power log x, okay? You don't have that in the option number C. It means option C is also not right. So sometime in the question you don't have to solve the entire problem. You look for what is not right in the correct in the given options that you have. So I think all of you gave the right answers. Yeah, Chandu has given me C. Please check, Chandu. Neha, B is wrong. Sagufta, A is correct. Yeah, Siri, A is right answer. Neha, B is wrong. A is correct. Skull, A. Yes. A is correct. All of you. Abdul, A is correct. Manoj, Rashmi and Kushal. Okay, let's move on now. This is clear, right? This is a good question. Now this one, even better problem. Please check. So they're saying that function is given as x power n, and this condition you're looking to find the value for f of 1 minus f dash of 1 upon 1 factorial plus f double dash of 1 upon 2 factorial, and so on till n actually. So let's find first f dash of x. We're gonna find, we'll have this value as n times of n x power n minus 1, excuse me, x power n minus 1, x power n minus 1. Okay, also let's find f double dash of x. So we'll have this condition as n times of n minus 1 x power n minus 2, and so on, right, and so on. So if you actually put the value 1 over here, no, you get this part will become simply 1, right? Check this series now. You'll have f of 1 minus f dash will become what, how much? Please check. It will become simply n only, right? If you put x as 1, it will become simply n, correct? So I can write this as, have a look, I can erase this also, 1 second. Yeah. So what is f1, sir? f1 is 1 only. F of 1, put here 1 power n, so 1 only. Over here it will become n, 1 power something will be as it is 1, so 1 upon 1 factorial. Next what I have, f double dash of 1, it will become same thing, this is going to be 1, so we'll have n times of n minus 1 upon 2 factorial. Okay, and same way you'll have again n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 upon 3 factorial, and so on, and so on. Do you remember the series? We have 1 minus x power n. If I have, it will become what, sir? It will be first will be 1 only, then you'll have a minus sign. We write this as nc1, correct, nc1, and we have x power what, sir? 1. Okay, and if I continue like this, minus plus nc2 x power 2 minus nc3 x power 3, correct? If you check this out, this is the same thing, nc1, and this is same, sir, same thing, nc2 and this is same, sir. Okay, now check carefully over here. If I put this x value as 1, so what I'm trying to say is this RHS will become, this RHS, what I have, 1 minus nc1 x plus nc2 x square minus nc3 x cube will become same as this series if you put value of x as 1. Please cross check. There is no x in this series. What they have given over here, there is no x over here, but we have x in this case, right? So how can you remove that x part from here? If you put x as 1, put here, if you want to compare these two, what are you going to do? Put x as 1. When you do that, this whole thing will become, please check, 1 minus 1 power n. How much is the answer going to be? 0 power n. What is the answer? 0. Option is going to be option C. As I said, it's a very good question. Okay, so I think answers now. So yes, Rashmi, Sagufta, Kushal, and Jayan, please check your answer. It should be C actually. Yeah. Is this correct? Okay. Yeah. So if y equal to root of x square plus root of x square plus till infinity is there, we want to do that. Please check what you're gonna do. If I, from the whole thing, if I remove this part out, okay, if I remove this part out, I'll have still y only, right? I can write this as y equals to root of x square plus y, because from the infinite number of roots of x square, we can remove one out, it'll still be what, sir? It'll still be y only. Okay, now square it up, we're gonna get y square equals to x square plus y. Derivative of this will become 2y dy by dx, and you have again 2x plus dy by dx. Check this out. What we're gonna have? We can move it on this side. We'll have dy by dx. Okay. Over here we have 2y minus 1 equals to 2x separated. I get dy by dx equals to 2x upon 2y minus 1. 2x upon 2y minus 1. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Yeah, I can see the answers. Everyone is given the right answer. A correct. All of you has given the right answer. So, okay. Kushal, Sagupta, Vardhan, Lakshmi. Yeah. So let's solve these questions first. We'll take more questions in the coming session. Don't worry. Right now, let's solve these problems. Okay. Who's solving this question, guys? Let's solve this problem. Yes. Okay, so we have to differentiate this function. Over here we have polynomial form. We have to use, of course, here product rule, and this side is sine inverse. Okay, so let's solve these problems first that we have. Apply this. I can write this as derivative will become 1, root will be same thing, a square minus x square. Now I'll have a plus sign, keeping x as it is, we'll have 1 by 2 root of a square minus x square. Okay, and differentiate this again, x square, we're gonna get this as by the chain rule, we'll have minus 2x. Okay, then plus a square is as it is, derivative of sine inverse will become what? Upon, we'll have a square plus x square, a square plus x square. Okay, in the root only, sorry, a square not plus, what I'm doing is sine inverse, right? It has to be a square minus x square. Forgive me, that's a very silly mistake. Sine inverse, right? Yeah. All right, let's continue from here. What I'm getting, so I'll have, I can see here this 2 and this 2 is cancelled, so I can just take, no, this LCM, this term is same, right? We have a square minus x square as the same term in the denominator. It will become simply a square minus x square over here, and this will become simply, please check, minus x square, and we have plus a square. Okay, I can get here twice of this and twice of this, right? So it will become twice of a square minus x square divided by root of a square minus x square. We can cancel this and this with what? With this. Have a look, you have the answer as twice of the root a square minus x square. Option B is correct. Yeah, not simple, but yeah, not that difficult as well. So Sagupta correct, Rashmi A is incorrect, Chandu B is correct, Manoj B is correct. Clear hai? Done? Okay. Yes. Moving on now. Differentiate with respect to x this function. I have 4 right here, 2 the power 2 log 2 sine what we have, sine x. Okay, same thing, 3 power 2 log 3 cos x. This can be written over here with the top of 2 and cos, top of cos, sorry, sine over here and cos over here will become 2 log 2 sine square x. Over here will become 3 log 3 cos square x, right? 2 log 2 and 3 log 3 will become simply 1, right? Yeah, it will be simply gone, cancelling the effect. Sine square x plus cos square x, answer is nothing but 1. This is my function, right? This is my function. Please check, this is my function y. So I get derivative of this, dy by dx will be nothing but, option A is correct. Everyone, option A is correct. Yeah. Yes, Chandu, very good. Shagufta, Shravant, Abdul, all of you. Shravant, B is not right. Dear, please check. A is the right answer. Yeah. Shravant, B is not right. A is the right answer. Please check. Differentiate, we are asking, right? Derivative of a constant 1 will become 0. Okay. Got it? Is that, I hope this is clear now. Yeah. So differentiate with respect to x, 1 by b tan inverse of x by b plus 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Okay, so what we can do on this side, please check. If I differentiate this, I'll have over here tan inverse of x by b, will become 1 by b is a constant, so it will become 1 upon 1 plus x square by b square. Okay, and again you'll have 1 by b, because you're going to differentiate x by b also as a chain rule, so 1 by b will have plus 1 by a, and over here again get 1 upon 1 plus x square by a square into 1 by a with the chain rule, 1 by a with the chain rule of x by a. Great. So I'm getting over here, this will become LCM, it will become b square plus x square, it will go up, so I'll have b square upon, please check, I can combine these two together, right? Yeah, so I get 1 by b square into, in the bracket I have b square plus x square. Okay, same way plus sign is there, I have 1 by a square, this a and this a will become a square, and again LCM will be a square plus x square, so I get here a square upon, in the bracket, a square plus x square. This and this is cancelled, this and this is cancelled. I get the answer as option B. Please check. Please cross check, okay? All of you? Yes, great. This is clear? Okay. Find dy by dx when x equal to a. Okay, they've given x in terms of theta. Navneet, please don't spam the chat box. I read your comment, but I'm doing the questions right now. Once I finish some questions, my problem is that I'm going to get back to your query that you have. Don't spam the chat box. Others are answering the problems. Okay? Creates inconvenience to answer. Check others' answers. Okay? So give me some time. I'll get back to you just after finishing a couple of more questions that we have. We're going to finish that, and then I'll take your doubt. Okay? So please don't spam the chat box. Now we have dy by dx equals to, we have to find the derivative when x is nothing but a times of theta minus sine theta, and y is a times of 1 minus cos theta. Okay? Yes. So B was which answers, dear? Yeah, B is right for the previous one. Correct. Neha, B is right for the previous one. Yes, I think a lot of you given the answers. Gupta, Lakshmi, Gautam, correct. Okay, Rashmi also has given the answer. B is correct. Yeah, Abdul also given the answer B. In this one, are you giving the answer for this particular question? dy by dx of x equals to a theta minus sine theta. How do you solve this? So I have this value of dy by dx as dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Okay, so I can solve this. I'll have a as a constant. I can keep it over here for a, and it will become 0. I'll have here minus of cos, so minus sine will come for cos theta. Okay, divided by, again you'll have a over here, and theta will become 1. You'll have simply sine will become cos, right? So cos theta. Great. A and a is cancelled. I'm getting over here simply as sine theta by 1 minus cos theta. Okay, this is my derivative, right? Yeah. So I get this as please check, 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 divided by what is it? 2 sine square theta by 2. 2 sine square theta by 2. The formula for 1 minus cos is 2 sine square theta by 2. 2 cancelled. One of the sine will also be cancelled. I get here the answer as cos theta by 2 divided by sine theta by 2. Answer is nothing but cot theta by 2. Cot theta by 2. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Yeah. Yes, so I can see the answers now. Yes, so Gautam has given the B answer, Sanskar has given B. Neha, the next sum, okay, I got it, Neha, your answer is B. Anuj, C, please check. So Gupta, B is correct. Shravant, C is not right, dear. We have Kushal, B, Lakshmi, B. Yeah, Shravant, you have changed the answer. Aditya, C, please check. Lakshmi, B is correct. Neha Rao, B. Anushri, B as well. Manoj, Prince, Aniruddha, Acharya, B is right. Okay, done. I think this is the last question, right? We have last question for this today. Then I can take your last that you have doubts. Differentiate this function y equal to this. We have y equal to 7 power x plus 1 by x is there, right? Derivative of this we are looking for. Differentiate. We'll have y dash equals to, please check. First, this is a exponential function, right? So we can write this will remain as it is. 7 power x plus 1 by x will remain as it is. Now differentiate. So you're gonna get what? ln 7 will come, of course, log 7 will come, and if you differentiate this part also by the chain rule, we'll have x as 1 and we'll have this as minus 1 upon x square. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 upon x square. Close the bracket. So I'm getting x7 power x plus 1 by x ln 7. Take the LCM now. I get x square is the LCM, will become x square minus 1. Option A is correct. Simple question, asking 2019 actually, please check. 2019. So this completes your session. Yeah, answer A is correct for everyone. I can see. Gautam, please check your answer. D is not right. Neha, cross check. Lakshmi, A is right. Hitav, A is right. Shagufta, A is right. Manoj, A is right. Chauhan, Gautam, A is correct. Yeah. So yes, I think Shagufta got all the answers today right. Others have got 1 or 2 wrong. Rest also, they also got right answers. So very good. So yes, and now I had some questions. So how much marks should I take? Okay, first before that, I had a student who were asking me about 4th question, right? So let's give me 1 second. 4th question, there was somebody asking me was the 4th question. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, this problem. Okay, so here in this question, know what they have given over here is when x is 0, you have to find the derivative when n equals to 1. Okay, n equals to means 1 means for the first term only, right? So for the first term we are looking for this part we don't have to include in the function, because they're not saying when n is n terms. Okay, when they're saying n is only 1, this is the first term, second term, third term, up till n term. So I want n as first term means only this is the function now. This all is removed from there. Now in that we differentiate it. So what is that? Tan inverse of something is there, right? Tan inverse of something is there. Differentiate tan inverse. What are you going to get? 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus whatever is there, that's the whole square. Okay, that's the derivative of tan inverse. But is that over? No, you have to apply the chain rule, right? So differentiate this fraction as well. What is that going to be? Minus 1 upon, same thing will come in the denominator with the square. Remember, if I had, we just did a question like this, if I had 1 by x as the function, let's say, derivative was how much, sir? Minus 1 upon x square, right? So in this case we have 1 upon this whole thing, so I'll have the answer as minus 1 upon this whole thing, the square. That's one thing. Again differentiate this fraction as this function as well. Okay, so I'm going to get what? For 1 I'm going to get 0, for x I'm going to get 1, for x square I'm going to get 2x. Now in this put x as 0. When you do that you will have, please check, 0 plus 0, only 1 is left, so I have 1 plus 1 in the denominator. Okay, 1 plus 1 in the denominator. Over here we have minus 1 left, so minus 1 is there. Here it is minus 1 already, it is 1 already. It becomes x as 0 means only 1 is left. So what I get? Numerator 1 minus 1 and 1. Here 1, here minus 1, here 1. This is numerator only, right? Now take the denominator. This is again 1, 1 plus 0 will be 1 only. This is again 1 plus 1, so 2. So get the answer as minus 1 upon 2. Okay, minus 1 upon 2. This is your answer. Alright, so I have done the question number 4 as well, dear. Okay, now I'll just get back to your questions. So is this enough if I solve all these type of questions, sir? Yes, Ravan, these are all PYQs related to problems. Okay, it means if you're solving these problems, of course you're solving the PYQ they've been asked in last 10 years or last 20 years, 15 years, like that. Okay, if you can solve last 10 year questions comfortably, means you are prepared for the examination, right? Means they can't ask you all questions surprise only. Okay, now somebody was saying that sir, if I am good in physics and if I'm weak in physics, should I score good in physics, chemistry and maths? That is enough. Please don't do that, because I'm telling you what, COMEDK and KSET don't have that high level of physics, chemistry, maths, anything. They all they want is for you to solve the questions quickly in 1 hour of a time. Okay, 180 questions in 3 hours. So you have to work on that. So concept will be not that difficult in nature. Okay, so even though if you feel that your subject is weak, certain subject is weak, you can still work. There's still time. If you want, you can join the crash course. We are giving the crash course right now. Okay, for the COMEDK already started, so in that you'll have mocks as well. So you need to practice problems right now, not difficult ones, not the JEE level problems, for COMEDK level problems. If you solve that, you'll be good enough to get a decent rank in the COMEDK. Okay, so don't leave any subject out. Yeah, I'll take IOD on the next session, don't worry, Rashmi. No, it'll be almost same, but some questions from PU1 will be difficult, Shagupta. Okay, so Neha, how much marks should I need to take COMEDK for joining in RVC? You have to score 150 plus. Yeah, it's the top college. Think about it. It's top college, top branch. Of course, it has to be very good marks. And there's no PU2 weightage. You have to get very good marks in the your COMEDK. 155 like that you have to get, I think. Yeah. So in the COMEDK, so you're saying about mock, right? So if you're asking about the COMEDK crash course, we have total of 12 mock tests there. So you should at least write, so if you're asking me how many mocks you should write, so you can try to write at least alternate days 1 mock. Okay. Yes, it is possible to crack the examination if you can give your best. Acha, somebody was asking me, getting 84 marks, getting 50 marks in the mock test, how to improve that. So I'm going to tell you that very simply. So let's say you scored 84, I scored 50 marks. Please evaluate your paper, give half an hour time, understand what you have done mistaken. Let's say you're doing mistake in calculus, okay. Let's say you're doing mistake in calculus. So then see that what topics are those. Revise the topics. Solve the similar problems. Then you can, of course, improve in your marks. Okay. So evaluate your paper properly, honestly. Okay. That okay, you're making this mistake. You're making, you're forgetting the formulas. You're making silly mistakes. What is the exactly mistake? Silly mistake is there. Conceptual mistake is there. What is the exactly mistake is there? And based upon that, you can actually make sure that you will not have to do that. You will not get the same marks again if you actually evaluate your paper. Okay, just give me 1 second. I'll get it back. Just give me 1 second, guys. By mistake, I just removed the PPT. All right. Yeah, is it possible to score 155 in short span of time, sir? Neha Rao, it's not about scoring 155 in this 20 days of time. It's about you prepared throughout the year, right? It's about making a focused revision, solving a lot of questions, and giving working on the time management skills. Okay, solving a lot of mock papers. If you want to do that, you can actually join any crash course for COMEDK. Ours also is live. Where can I write mocks? So Rashmi, we have started a COMEDK crash course. In that, from today onwards, first mock is live now. Okay, not today. Today is 21st, right? 22nd onwards. From tomorrow onwards, we will be giving you live. If you are already joined the COMEDK crash course, you will get the mock test on alternate days from tomorrow onwards. Okay. सर COMEDK में मैथ्स के बहुत ही लेंदी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं क्या? Not all the questions. I think 7-8 questions will be lengthier. Other will be easier only. Okay. Like the same pattern that is there in KSAT. 7 to 8 problems will be little lengthy, which is the challenging one. Others are easier. Yeah, so COMEDK split, if you're asking me, almost 33% questions are coming from COMEDK, rest all is from, PU1, rest all is from PU2. 11th topics are 33% weightage, and 12 topics is 66%, 67% weightage. Yeah, I'm gonna do PU1 as well. Okay, right now I'm doing PU2. I think I've done PU1, right? Some chapters I've already done. Please cross check my previous sessions. I've done PU1 sessions also. Yeah. Sir, where can I get PYQs and DPPs? So if you are in the COMEDK crash course, so PYQs is a different session. Okay, so every evening it comes live. So in the session only you're gonna get sessions link. You will be there. So sessions title will be there. No, in that next to the title you'll get a attachment mark. Click on the attachment. You're gonna get the PDF download from there. Now for the DPPs, the class, the regular classes where we're gonna learn the concepts, the theory classes are there. In that title you're gonna get the DPPs at the end of the class notes. So DPP in the class notes you're gonna get, and this is for COMEDK crash course students. For all of you who are from COMEDK crash course, if you're watching the session, if you're asking for the notes, right, in the sessions notes are there. In that only last you'll have find the DPP and the solutions, and PYQs you're gonna find in the PYQ sessions title again. Okay, I hope this is clear. Checked focus. I can attend cases classes for COMEDK. More or less is same, but some questions are different. COMEDK problems are not exactly same as KSAT. Some questions are different. Okay. This is for Gautam. Vardhan. Sir, KSAT classes also help to score 30+ marks in COMEDK in each subject. Yeah. It can help you actually. 30+ you can score. But if you want to score out, no, then you have to attend a COMEDK focused preparation for question for solving. Okay. Sir, should I buy MTG pay book in the short span of time? Yeah, it's completely worth of time. Okay, if you actually can, you have how much is date is today 21st. You have 9 days in this month, right? Yeah, and next month again you have 9 days. 18 days are there, right? You have still a lot of time. Okay, you can buy it today. You can start studying. You need a book. If you want a book, please purchase it. Rashmi, yes, it is worth it. नवनी सरकार, सर टॉप 5 कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेना के लिए कितने मार्क्स चाहिए? टॉप 5 के लिए 140+ is good enough. 140+. If you want a CS stream, other stream you can get at 120, 130+ also. Okay, so what chapters do you recommend from first PUC? So I would recommend easy ones first of all. So easy ones, if you ask me, certain sets are there, relation and functions are there, trigonometry is there. Okay, then apart from that, what is there? You can see complex numbers are again very easy. You can do that. Then you can do probability are relatively easy only in the PU1, that you can do as well. You can do introduction to 3D also, you can do, that is very easy. Okay, you can do straight line, that is very easy. If you can remember the formulas of conic section, that also will be very easy. The questions on eccentricity, questions on the conjugate axis, length of the letter rectum, those kind of questions can come. Okay, so those formulas if you can remember, that will be easier again. So like that. Okay, sir, please come live. I am coming live. This is not live, this is live only, right, Manoj? Where will I get crash course, website or app? You will get both, na? You have access to both. App is there, so you have to purchase the crash course first, then you can get access in the web version. App either on Android or iOS. All three are available. Okay. Yeah, Geet, you can get 100 marks also. You can get CSE, but not in the top colleges. Okay, might be after top 3, 4 you can get. So yeah, anything I missed? I think you can get Prince Rai. Okay, I think ma'am has done a very detailed session on the COMEDK college wise, right, distribution. Please go ahead. If not, we'll do it on our platform. You can cross check. So we'll do everything. Okay, we'll do about first you prepare for the your exam. Later after exam, you're gonna give a proper support. We're gonna give you what colleges are you can at what rank, what colleges can be there, how can you do the counseling. Everything will be done. Don't worry. Okay. So in last minute, how can I solve PYQs? But the PYQ is not that difficult. Okay, you can solve it. Only some questions will be difficult. If you know the concepts, you can solve it. Okay, you're not able to solve this question that I did right now. They're from one of the highest weighted chapter, right? This chapter is one of the high weighted chapter of your competitive examination. C&D, continuity and differentiability. You can solve these questions, right? Yeah. Is top 10 colleges good? Yes, Geet. Top 10 colleges are good. Any college which is giving you placement is good. Don't worry, you're gonna come back with a review of the colleges also. The syllabus of COMEDK is same as KSET or any other addition topics. No topic is addition. There's no new topics added in the COMEDK syllabus. Just that questions are different. In the PU1, questions are a little different. Okay. Bold Bits are saying thank you, sir. Because of you, I got good marks in maths KSET. Thank you very much. Thank you, Bold Bits, for trusting me. Chemistry live when? I think maybe I don't know the schedule, but tomorrow or day after, because chemistry, physics, maths, only 3 are there, right? Anything else? Navneet, what you can do is please understand where you're losing marks. Okay, so please understand that you're losing marks in chemistry, physics or maths, and now understand in chemistry what chapters you're losing marks in, physics what chapter you're losing marks in, and math what chapter is you're losing marks in. Now in the time that you have, which you can improve faster. Let's say I can improve chemistry. For me, I can improve chemistry faster. It's easy for me. Okay, so I'm going to choose chemistry chapters, revise those, and start getting good marks in chemistry. So likewise you can improve the marks. So understand which subject, which topics where you're losing marks in, and how can improve, which is easier to improve the marks and which is faster to improve the marks for you. This is the answer for Navdeep Sankar. Understand your weaknesses, work on that, and that way you can again improve the marks. Understand if there's a silly mistake, please try to solve questions on that. Then only you can get over the silly mistakes. By practice only you can get over the silly mistakes. Okay, and if possible, try to maintain the error book where you're making mistakes. Okay, let's say it can be a PDF format, highlight it in different color. This is a mistake problem. You can come back and revise again before writing the next mock. Okay, so basically understand your weak chapters, which is the faster to complete. Do them first. Okay, easier once you do them first, and then you can move on to your maintain the error book also. So 2 things I said for Navneet Sankar, sorry, not Sarkar. Bold Bits, now we are not doing any J advanced sessions right now, so I don't want to promise anything which is not there. Okay, so we're not doing any J advanced sessions. Okay, but if you want an offline session, I think is going on. I don't know about the class course, but do one thing, you can keep this comment in the live. After the live, this slide live is over, we can cross check and get it back to you. But right now our platform is not doing any online, it's not there. Offline it might be there in the Deeksha Vedantu, but online we are not doing any advanced revision or crash course. Okay, so how many live classes in a day? So if you are asking about your COMEDK YouTube live, then you'll be having 1 live per day in the working days, of course. And if you're asking for the crash course, you don't have live per day. You have every day 6 sessions in the COMEDK crash course, and you have every Wednesday live. You have every day 6 sessions, every alternate day mock tests, and every Wednesday live doubt sessions. Okay. सर एंड एग्जाम्स में तुक्के मार सकते हैं क्या? उसमें मेरा रैंक पर कोई असर नहीं होगा? नहीं, देयर इज नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग. ओके, इफ यू डोंट नो समथिंग, ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन ट्राई टू, देयर इज अ मेथड कॉल्ड एज elimination method. Means you have to make sure that you are choosing the right option. Probability has to be introduced. Okay, what is the right probabilities? So I think ma'am has done a tukke marne wala video. Okay, please go ahead and check it out. Chemistry ma'am has done one video on that. We practice PYQs 10 hours. Is it possible to score 150? Just PYQ is not good enough. No, you can try to practice at least some questions, write some mocks. Okay, you have the book, right? I think you only were talking about some books, MTG book. You can use that also to practice problems. There is no actually standard book as for COMEDK. You can get a question bank or PYQ book from MTG or any other publications. You can use that. Yashwant. Sir, physics के 11th नहीं हो पा रहा है. I think sir will be coming here and dealing with that. Geet. Okay. sir, bacha, there is no, there's no like only this. If you do, you can score like that. I cannot guarantee it. If I can, then I would, just give you my word only. That's not how it works. You can try and give your effort, okay? But yes, the idea is, if you can actually solve any question in the PYQ comfortably. If you are Neha Rao, I'm giving you the answer. If you are comfortable enough to solve any question in the PYQ, means yes, you're prepared for it. But not, just by hearting the problems. One way to solve PYQs is by heart these questions. So from here only the questions will come. That's not how it is. If you can by skills solve the problems without any effort, yes, you're prepared for the examination. Okay. So anything else? 18 days good enough, sir? 18 days is a lot. 18 days is a lot. Okay. Geet sir will be doing physics, don't worry. So once he comes live, you can ask your questions. Yashwant, bacha, we have done a session in the formula, right? You can check our platform only. I have done a video just for the formulas, and PDF is also given over there. Yashwant. Okay. So with this, I can end the session right now. Anything else is there? No, right? You're welcome, Neha. Anything else, dear? No. So again, tomorrow there will be a live in COMEDK. You guys please attend that. So whether it is chemistry or physics, we get to know that on our platform only. If you want to have information prior, what you can do is join our what do you call, your WhatsApp channel. The link is given in the description of this live itself. You can check out there and join the channel. You'll get all the details in the channel itself. Okay. Thanks for enjoying your lecture. Thank you. Checked focus. Okay, you guys keep a weird name. I don't know what is your exactly name. Okay, so thanks, checked focus. Chaliye, so with this, I can end the session now. Anything else? Sir, today's session was superb. Thank you, Sir Gupta. You were superb as well. You solved all the questions correct only. You don't need me. Okay, so you did all of them right. Very good, Sir Gupta. सर मैंने कॉमेड के कोर्स ले रखा है, तो एग्जाम्स के बाद काउंसलिंग में आप लोग हेल्प कर दोगे ना? हाँ हाँ, वट एवर इन्फॉर्मेशन यू नीड फ्रॉम आवर साइड, सपोर्ट यू नीड फ्रॉम आवर साइड, वी कैन हेल्प यू आउट. डोंट वरी नवनीत शंकर. Prithviraj checked focus. Okay, your name is Prithviraj. Okay, nice. Very good name, man. Superb. Okay. So anything else? Any other doubt regarding the crash course? Anything else? By your cassette, very good. I am very happy to hear that, Shagufta. Very happy, dear. Very, very happy. So mine effort is 1%. Your effort is 99%. You are getting 50 plus because of your effort. No, nothing is mine. Okay. All of your efforts is there, Shagufta. Okay. Thanks, Navneet. Anything else? Sir, what about PU2 second exam? Yes, dear, we're gonna be helping out in best way possible. From our end, right now we are busy with some other stuff. Okay, but yes, we'll try to help you, assist you. A lot of the content are available for PU2. Please go ahead and check it out on our platform. You can check. We have helped a lot of students. I think we are planning a meet and greet also. So there are a lot of students who have made a very successful marks. They got very good marks from our content. So please go ahead and check our content that we have already made for PU2. Okay, that might be helpful. This is for Arshi. PU2 is 11th, basically 12th board examination in Karnataka is called as PU2. Okay, Navneet, you're welcome, dear. Shagufta, got it. Okay, Arshi. So yes, we have given all the content here, Arshi, on our platform. You can go ahead and check it out. Subject wise, it is there. Again, for the more support, what is the requirement? Let us know. We're gonna provide whatever we can on our platform. Okay, chaliye. So how many PYQs should be solved? So PYQs you can solve at least last 10 years. Last 10 years should be there. Okay. So yes, we are in our live. I think in our COMEDK class course we are doing last 5 years was told, but we are doing 7 to 8 years in the live session, in the recorded session, and they are giving DPPs also to solve. Basically, my goal is to make my students solve all the possible PYQs of all the chapters. Okay. Okay, great. I can see. Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, Sheetal is saying if we study KSAT PYQ for COMEDK, is it enough? So no, dear. Not all the questions will be the same. Okay, COMEDK PYQs are different. Please go ahead and check it out. So just concepts are almost the same, but PYQs are different. No, please solve PYQs of COMEDK, not of the KSAT. Okay, that is not advised from my side. Shandesh is saying, sir, how to score to get below 1000 rank in COMEDK? You have to score at least 140 plus, dear. Please try for that. You can score for that. Okay, sir, where can I get the lecture notes PDF? As I said, any video lecture which is there, no, let's say 3 p.m. lecture, let's say 5 p.m. lecture or 7 p.m., 6 p.m. lecture. So in the lecture video, where the video comes, next to that you will find that there will be an attachment icon. Wahan pe click kijiye, click on that, you get the PDF notes, download it, it's downloadable, you can download and get the notes. Okay, this is for Prithviraj, checked focus. Okay, Siddhal, it's if you study KSAT PYQ, okay, that is already answered. Please, in crash course teaching English, I kindly request Shashank. Yes, dear. Actually, initially we already informed all of you guys it's going to be in English only. But since there was more requests, we have started to, so we have recorded some sessions already. So that's why it was mixed of English and Hindi. But now we are doing everything at least in English. Then only we are repeating Hindi. Okay, you can see that on our platform. We are doing in English now. Okay, so you can please cross check, Shashank. Can you cover 10 PYQs of all chapters within 18 days? Last question, sir. Yes, Neha, you can cover it. 10 years will have how many questions? Let's say high weighted chapter will have 30 questions. Correct, no? 30-35 questions. And lower chapter will have almost 10-12 questions. Can you not cover it? Neha, you answer me. Okay, Seetal is done. Okay, question is done. Okay, 100 marks pe kya rank hoga bacha? Dear, we'll have a rank analysis later. Right now, try to focus on the marks. Okay. Thank you, lecture is nice and useful. Welcome, Seetal. Thank you for attending the session. Sir, what is the paper difficulty of COMEDK? I would say little difficult than the KSAT. Okay, little bit difficult because the PU1 part is challenging in the COMEDK. Okay, yes, check focus. Your question is answered. Okay. Yes. Yeah, good to be scared. No, it means you want something good to happen for yourself. That's why you are scared, nervous. That's a good thing, not a bad thing at all. Yes, you should score. Of course, I want to tell you that I want to tell everyone that my student, I knew a girl, Neha, who got a rank in, who got a seat in RVCSE. Okay, I also want to say this proudly. You should score actually. Okay, that's it. Suggest some PYQ book. Any PYQ book you can refer. Bacha, MTG, Arihant, different PYQs are there for COMEDK. Try to use which has minimum errors. Okay. Great. So crash course में अब हिंदी में नहीं पढ़ाओगे आप? No, dear. We're going to use Hindi as well in the crash course, but we will be covering, teaching in English and Hindi together. So earlier we were teaching concepts only in Hindi at times. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is, so English will be there and Hindi will also be there. So I was explaining you almost in both the concepts wherever it is required. Okay, so it will be helpful for all of you. Don't worry, कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला. It will be very, very helpful for all of you. Okay. Yes, Namni Sankar, it's okay, all good. Yeah, because a lot of students were asking for not teaching in Hindi, so that's why we try to give them also support, because we don't want to leave anybody out. Okay, so for that reason we are mixing more English now rather than keeping Hindi. Okay, that works. Seetal, your lecture is helpful, sir, useful, sir. Thank you, Seetal, for joining in. Sir, maths में सिर्फ कितना होगा? 140 plus. Maths में 45 plus will be good score. 45 to 50 will be a good score at least. COMEDK is not easy than KSAT. No, it's either same level or a little bit on the higher side. Okay, not easy. Okay, so I think there are no new questions. I can end the session now. All of you, please join tomorrow for the next subjects live session. Anything else you have to ask me, do one thing, leave your comment in the comment section, not in the live chat. Okay, leave that. I will going to reply to the comments later. Masterstroke will be enough for brush up. I think concepts you can revise from there. Some of the concepts are almost same, but PU1 concepts will be different. A little bit different formulas also used in the PU1, so you have to learn PU1 separately. Okay, so try to solve the PYQs again. This one actually. Thank you, sir. Because of you, I got 100 in PUC. Oh my God, 100 in PUC. Seetal, where were you? I did not get your name in my live session. So you got 100 in PUC. Very, very proud of you, bacha. 14 KSAT. That also is very good. Superb job, Seetal. Sir, KSAT. Okay, KSAT 140, PCM 292 rank. Oh my God, Shima, you have killed it. 140 is I think you should get easily 1,000, less than 1,000 rank. Okay. Very good, Seema. No. No. The questions will not come from related topics. If it comes, then it will be a bonus problem. Don't worry about that. Okay. Okay, so it was written as Seetal. No, that's why I said Seetal. Okay. Hi, Ayush. So very good marks, Ayush. Okay. Super. Proud of you. Thank you for attending the sessions. So guys, yes. Very good. Yeah, I think you can get one around less than 1K you can get. Yeah, paper was a little easy. That is true. But you have 292 also there. That's not a bad marks at all. Yeah. COMEDK is easy, not easy, bacha, or the same level or a little bit difficult side, because the PU1 questions are different. I don't see any new comments. Maths 51, very good. Seema, very, very good. Superb. Okay. Came 47, extremely good. Okay. Physics 42. So it's a little bit, you made mistakes in physics. Yeah, physics was, some questions were difficult, I think. 7-8 questions was difficult in physics. So I was telling us. Alright, so with this I can end the session now, guys. Yeah. So no new questions I can see. Superb, superb, Seema. 100 physics, physics 97, chemistry 95. Superb. Okay. So I hope you know that we are circulating for all our students who have studied from us. We are planning a meet and greet for all of you to come and join us. We are giving you a treat from our side in Bangalore. Okay, it will be happening very soon. So we are planning for something like that. If you want, you can join us. You can come with your parents, with your family, and we'll get to meet all of you. Okay. So we plan something like that. Yes, Ayush. 100, yeah, you can score 100. 30, 30, 30, you can score easily, no? It's possible, completely possible. Very good, very good, Seema. Yes, you can do that. Yes, you can get RBC from COMEDK, right? Abhay, you can get that. Yeah, Surathkal is, I think, one of the top college of, I think second, no, NITK, right? Surathkal is NITK, so it's a very good college. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna leave right now. Please go ahead and start your studies. So I hope to see you again very soon. Next session mein I'll be here. Okay, and tomorrow another session will come live in the COMEDK Launchpad. Attend that, learn from sir and ma'am. Okay, again I'll be coming in the next live session for your mathematics. See you again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.